When I first started in this business, mobile phones hadn't been invented and equipment was very expensive. The equipment to do what was shown in this would have cost £400 30 years ago. As you can see, that's £1,000 in today's money. Apps and phones make life so much easier nowadays and so much cheaper. This is just an example. I've got my favourite function generator up. I've got it set for 1 kHz, got it set for sine wave, and it's now outputting it. Now on my deck, I'm going to record this. It happens to be a Type 2 tape, but it's irrelevant. I'm going to record now just a bit. Now the reason I'm doing it is this way is because I can. Right, I'm going to record just a bit, not too much, onto that. You can see it's at 0. I'm using 1 kHz is because it's a convenient number. No real need to do anything else, but it does mean you can work out things from it easily. Keep the maths simple. Try and keep everything simple is my motto. When I play this back in the other deck, we will see what the error is between the two decks. I'm expecting there to be some. I don't know how much. I've not done this before. And then we'll be able to see what I need to do to be able to correct that error. This is obviously of use only if you've got another deck you want to reference to. But if you've got a deck that you're happy with and you've got another deck that you're not happy with, maybe you want to reference to the deck you're happy with. So this is how you do it. Record the signal. Nice clean signal. I'll get it up to 40 on the counter. Rewind, just to make sure. I could use my return to 0, couldn't I? But never mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that into the other deck. And I'm going to rewind it to the beginning, which I don't know where that is. Not going to be very much. Right, okay, so that's now 1 kHz tone. Use the microphone on the app. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the tablet. Right, now I've sorted that out, and I've just installed on my tablet this rather good app. It's by the same people who make the frequency generator, Soft, and it's a harmonic meter, which is quite an interesting idea. It's a bit of a woo-woo thing. You can also use it to tune instruments, and you can use it to tune your cassette deck. Now hit play, and let's see what we've got. That's what I was expecting to see. 1005 Hertz, 1 point. This shows the power of technology. The new apps and phones and all that sort of stuff means that we can actually now check what would have cost thousands of pounds for merely, well, nothing. Most people have got a phone. So at the end of the day, you've got yourself a useful bit of kit which you can use on your cassette deck. Hope that's of use to you. Catch you another time. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments. More than happy to try and help.